Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to distort a shape in Photopea. Let's begin. Create a new layer and insert shape, rectangle, ellipse, line, parametric shape, custom shape. Example use rectangle shape, then drag rectangle shape, go to edit tab, transform, distort. Step 1, distort shape, and step 2, again edit tab, transform, 1. Step 3, go to filter tab, liquify. Right click, raster as layer. Then go to filter tab, liquify. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.